Hey guys, I'm videoing it outside. Beautiful trees. Yeah. See, I'm walking in the grass. Gotta catch up with my mom. Right there. Somewhere. Oh, it's sand. They took the playground out here down, so yeah, it's really pretty outside. It's like 50-something degrees here. My mom said let's go get some fresh air, and it's weekend. And then we may go somewhere. And we're gonna walk all the way up there, way up there, and then back. Car coming, so I want to stay. Beautiful trees. Sadly, all the leaves fell off. So I'm just gonna walk down trees. I know, those are pretty.
I was trying to get into your video here. Put it in your hand and let the dog hold it.
Yes, see. Okay. But they're beets, so. Those are pretty flowers. Oh, thank you, dandelion. No bugs in it. Yeah.
Bigger than Savannah said.
Ain't that the truth? Yeah, my mom said this is my favorite. This is a piece. Oh, so I have somebody in my pocket. There you go. There's some more trees. I have to catch some. See if I'm going in my pocket. See, yeah. Just catching up to you. Yeah. So I'll put it in. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go back there. Yeah, that's a great idea. You could see I'm out in the tree. Yeah, we want to give the dog some exercise. She doesn't get it off. Yeah, so we're just walking. Come on. See the rocks up there? Can't see that. Yeah, but I can't wait to get up there. Portia, come back! I'm just playing with her, Mom. Yeah, I'm not allowed to walk her. She is. Let's see. Oh yeah. The Portia show is coming out soon. Alright. Ooh. Let's put her down. Duh. There we go. Oh, this. It's like all rocks. I don't want to fall. See if there's rocks. Oh yeah. Get a close up view. Yeah. Oh yeah, see? So like, going really high. I know where I'm walking. I'm gonna keep it face down because I don't want you to know where I live. This has an apartment sign. Oh yeah, I'm climbing. I will be careful, Mom.
No, don't walk up on there with that.
Okay, I can't. Because I got the camera focused. Bunch rocks, it looks like puzzles. Okay, here's where I get up. Get up on here because I don't want ticks in my hair.
I'm gonna duck. Go it up and duck.
I'm just gonna duck. Okay.
Duck.
Oh, I have to do exercise. Alright, I'm past. Oh, jeez. That's her knucklehead of the day. That's my knucklehead. Right there for you. I think we all know who that knucklehead is. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Yeah. I don't know how far you two are going.
What?
So, it's really pretty. See the sky. They're shining. Yeah. Oh, pretty. I haven't seen that in a while since last spring. Those are so pretty. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna walk back. Come on. I'm gonna go back. then we might do some outdoor adventures. So, I'm just gonna walk kind of fast to get over this stuff. Oops, don't want to lose this one. Yeah, she fell. Alright, time to get all these branches from winter. Lots of springs on us here. Just go around that one, just keep it. Portia, come back! Come on, you mountain hiker! I gotta wait for my mom first. And her catch up because she's way over there. See? She's about to go in the house while I finish making my nature video. Yeah, my dog is a handful. She's really good on camera because she knows people are watching her. They're going, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, shake it out. I will. Oh yeah, there's another person walking. So I don't want any faces to be shown. So we're just gonna walk. Yeah. Jumped on there. Oh dang, I'm way back there. Better stay here. Oh goodness. I'm coming! Don't yell my name! Come on. Yes, don't stay on video. Okay, so we're just fine. Please excuse us. Please, really excuse that. Yeah. She's catching up now with my fast self. We're doing jump rope for her thing at school, so a lot better. So you can hear my mom in the background. She is very social. Okay. Those seems awfully strong. I think there's kids at the park behind us all the way over here. Walking. Oh wait, I'm gonna do an awesome stunt. Oh wait, not that. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Whee! She flew. Yeah. Oh yay! I don't have to. And I don't even have an editor. So I can't. Yeah. And YouTube, if you cut something off there, it'll cut like half your video. Oh goodness. Behind again. Guess we can jump in the sand. Okay. Full blown over. Where they come on sound. If there even is one. Let's just wait. Come on, Porsche! She guides her. Ball games going on over there. There's the house over there. Alright, you guys are catching up. Finally. A-F-I-N-A-L-L-Y. Finally. Yes. My legs are starting to get tired. I can only go so fast. That's so far! This is, really cool. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't stay soft. Wait. Let me get the other one out of my pocket. Marriage. And part 2 will be coming up soon. I have it on my iPad. Love you! Bye-bye!